This is the question from geometric progression. The first two terms of a geometric sequence are u1 equals to 2.1 and u2 equals to 2.226. So find the value of r. Simply use calculator in this equation. In this question you will have to use calculator. So find the value of r. R is nothing but r equals to u2 divided by u1. Now I am writing a formula for you, that is a simple formula that is u2 equals to r into u1. So r will be u2 by u1. So from here I am getting the value of u2 is 2.226 divided by value of u1 is 2.1. So after you calculate this in the calculator, you will have the value of r to be 1.06. So this is the question number A. Now question number B. For u, let me write first the formula for the nth, that is u of n equals to u of 1 into r to the power n minus 1. U of 1 into r to the power n minus 1. Please remember all these formulas. Now we have to find out u of 10. Okay, so to find out u of 10 is equals to u of 1 into r to the power 10 minus 1. So u of 1 into r to the power 9. So u1, the value of u1 is given here 2.1. So 2.1 into r to the power 9, the value of r is 1.06 to the power 9. So u of 10 equals to this. So after calculating, you will find out this to be 3.55. okay, so this is nothing but 3.55. just you need to calculate this. Okay, just you can use a scientific calculator, any scientific calculator, and you can find out the value of this. Now we have to find out the last question, that is this question. Find the least value of n such that Sn greater than 5543. So first let me write the formula for Sn, that is Sn equals to u1 into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this is 2.1 into 1.06 to the power n minus 1 divided by 1.06 minus 1. So this complete equation will be greater than 5543. Now if you, so the simple thing is 1.06 to the power n minus 1, this is greater than 5543 into 0.06 divided by 2.1. So if you calculate this, so in calculator n will be approximately 87.0316. now the value of n must be greater than, so if the value of n is 87, then obviously it will be less than 5543. so n value must be 88. so this is the value of n. So find the least value of n. So the least value of n is 88. Just simply use calculator in this equation, you will find all the values. Okay, now we will move toward the question number 6. So in this question it is given as the diagram below shows a triangular based pyramid with base ADC. This is the base of the pyramid. Edge BD is perpendicular to edges AD and CD. Edge BD is perpendicular to the edges AD and CD. The values are given here. Now we have to calculate the value of AD. So this is also a very simple question. Just we need to give first let me construct two triangles for you to understand the fact, that is this is one triangle. I am drawing freehand, so that's why there might be some minor corrections. Just see A, B, and this is C. I have here to be X, AB to be X, and this angle B angle to be 0.66. So this is the angle again. So it is given. Okay, so ABC, angle ABC is 0.667. it is given. Then we have this side to be x plus 2 and this side is 28.4 centimeter. So this is first triangle, and the second triangle I need to show you. It will be one right angle triangle. So okay, let me show you. This will be one right angle triangle. So just a simple line. If you draw the images, it will be very easy for you to conclude anything. Okay, so this A angle, this will be A and this will be D. This is the AD. So this angle, see, just this is the normal line. So 0.611, this angle is 0.611. It is given in the equation, angle BAD to be 0.611. Okay, so just we need to use here the cosine rule. Okay, so what is the cosine rule? That is B square equals to, we have to use the cosine rule here. Very simple maths are this. So B square equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC into cos B. So here B, the value of B is 28.4. I am using this formula for this picture. So 28.4 whole square equals to A square, that is x square, plus C square, that is x plus 2 whole square, minus 2 into x plus 2 into cos of the angle cos B is, the value is 0.667. Keep in mind this in rad. So this value is in rad. So whenever you are doing calculation in the calculator, put the value in rad. And here simply this, the equation is only in one variable, so obviously you can calculate the value very easily. So the value of x will be 42.2822 centimeter if you use calculator to calculate this. Okay, now we need to find out the value of AD. So AD is nothing but, from here we can find out the AD. So cos of BAD is equals to AD by 42.2822. So AD is nothing but 42.2822 into cos of angle BAD is 0.611. So again put this value in calculator and you will find out AD to be 34.6 centimeter. So again this was a very simple problem. Okay, now we will move towards the question number 7. This question is also very easy. This is from the probability distribution. The following table shows the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x where a greater than equals to 0 and b greater than equals to 0. Okay, so now show that b equals to 0.3 minus a. So these are the probabilities, and we know that this probability will be equal to 1. The addition of the probabilities will be 1. So 0.2 plus 0.5 plus b plus a equals to 1. Now b plus a equals to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.5. So b plus a equals to 0.3. So b equals to 0.3 minus a. So the first problem is proved. First question is proved. Now we will move towards the second question. For second question, you can see that is a greater than equals to 0 and b greater than equals to 0. So the value of a can be 0 and the value of a can be 0.3. When if a value of a is 0, then value of b will be 0.3, and when value of a is 0.3, the value of b will be 0. So in between all the values will be there. So using this particular criteria, this criteria, I have constructed this table. See the table, the value of a and value of b. You know that value of a is greater than equals to 0, value of b is greater than equals to 0, but one terminating equation is there, that is b equals to 0.3 minus a. Now if the value of a is 0, b is 0.3. If the value of a is 0.1, b is 0.2. If the value of a is 0.2, b is 0.1. If the value of a is 0.3, b is 0. So AB expectation 3. So why it is written as expectation 3? This is expectation 3. This complete is expectation 3 and this will be expectation 4. This complete is expectation 4. For expectation 4 this formula is given. So for expectation 3 it is AB. See why it is AB? A into B for expectation 3. So the value of AB is written here, and for expectation, now this is A plus B minus 0.5. a plus b minus 0.5. Here it is given the value of x, so I have put down the. Now you can have one question, why it is negative? Yes, it can also be negative. Okay, it's not like that the positive values will only be there. The positive value calculation we have done already here, that is equals to 1. Okay, and greater than 0 to 1, the probability value will be greater than equals to 0 to 1, but the expectation can be negative. Okay, expectation can be negative. This you have to keep in mind, expectation can be negative. So here you have the expectation 4. So expectation 3 is here you can see the highest expectation from here. Okay, so if the value of this will be the 0, the least expectation I can write now. First, just this expectations, 1 into 0.2 is basically 0.2, 4 into 0.5 it is 2.0. so this is the highest, this is the greatest possible. Now the least possible is, from the chart you can see the least possible is minus 0.06 for the value a to be 0.3 and b to be 0. For this value, if this is the value, then just I am writing down the expectations here, that is this is 0.2, this is, just see the expectation values. Okay, this is 0.2, this is 2.0, if a is 0.3, b is 0, so this value is 0, and this is minus 0.06. so this is the greatest possible expected value. Just I will change the color. This is the greatest possible expected value and this is the least possible expected value. So here I have to find out the difference between the greatest possible expected value and the least possible expected value. So the difference is, see in this part, the difference is, here it is, the difference is 2.0 minus of 0.06. so it is 2.0 plus 0.06. so 2.06. this is the difference between the greatest possible expected value and least possible expected value. Thank you for watching IB 360. Here section A ends, and in next video we will discuss about the section B. Thank you so much.